Hello and welcome. My name is Christopher Flatt and this is my short presentation on CommisChef's What Do They Do at BecomeAChef UK, www.becomeachef.co.uk. So CommisChef, what do they do? So CommisChefs will be in charge of the basic food preparation jobs within the kitchen depending on what section they are on. They'll be helping with the stock deliveries when needed. They'll be rotating the stock, making sure this is done correctly. Cleaning fridges, really important to keep fridges nice and clean, keep the stock rotated and keep it really well organised. And this all needs to be done correctly. They'll be assisting other chefs within the kitchen. So CommisChefs, what do they do? So here you can see in my CommisChef jobs pie chart, the majority of the skills is the basic prep, which could be peeling onions, chopping onions, slicing cherry tomatoes in half, chopping spring onions and peeling salad leaves. This will take up the most of your day, and the setting up of the sections. Then you've got the stock rotating. This is the next level because it's so important to get the stock rotating correct. Really important. I can't emphasize that enough. The plating of salads. You will start plating stuff as a commis chef when you first go into the kitchen. You'll start to learn how to plate salads, but you will start off with the easy, simple salads first that need to be sent out for a service, and then other responsibilities which could include running the actual service of, say, the larder section, but you need a lot of experience before you do this. So commis chefs, what do they do? So making salads, as I mentioned, is a really big part when you first go into the kitchen as a commis chef. So I've taken a Caesar salad. Now the different bits that make up the Caesar salad will include washing the salad leaves. So you'll be picking off any dead leaves, any bad leaves, making sure it's really well washed and picked, or you'll even be slicing the salad ready for a service. You'll be making the Caesar dressing, which is a skill. Making dressings is your skill. Shaving Parmesan, which will be shaving the Parmesan to scatter on the salads. Making croutons. Now making croutons for a Caesar salad can be done in many different ways. You can get the small cubes, you can get larger cubes, or you can do the longer crouton style. Anchovies, depending on which anchovies you're using, these will need many draining off and having a look at. Poaching eggs is another really important skill to get a hang of. Some Caesar salads you'll be using boiled eggs, some you'll be using poached eggs. Now poached eggs, to get them right and correct, is really good skill to have. And then once you have all your elements ready for your salad, when an order comes in during the service, you'll be building the salad. So you get your order in, you build the salad correctly, you plate the salad neatly, correctly, so it looks good, how it's meant to be on the menu, and then you will send it out. So thank you very much for listening. This is BecomeAChef UK, www.becomeachef.co.uk. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and any comments, please leave it below. Thank you very much.